Assessing and understanding normal red blood cell values is essential for evaluating patient health. In this section, we'll explore the different ways red blood cells are measured and the expected normal values. Red blood cell count, or RBC count. This measures the total number of red blood cells in a microliter of blood. Normal values for men are between 4.7 and 6.1 million RBCs per microliter of blood. Normal values for women are between 4.2 and 5.4 million RBCs per microliter of blood. Children have a normal RBC value of 4.1 to 5.5 million RBCs per microliter of blood. Testosterone stimulates higher levels of erythropoietin production, leading to increased RBC counts in males. In contrast, estrogen has an inhibitory effect on EPO production, contributing to slightly lower RBC counts in females. Hemoglobin, abbreviated as HB levels, can also be measured to assess the oxygen-carrying capacity of the blood. Hemoglobin is the protein molecule found on red blood cells responsible for transporting oxygen throughout the body. It is measured in grams per deciliter of blood. Normal hemoglobin levels for men range from 13.8 to 17.2 grams per deciliter, while women typically have levels between 12.1 and 15.1 grams per deciliter. For children, normal values fall between 11.5 and 15.5 grams per deciliter. Similar to RBC count, hemoglobin levels are influenced by hormone activity. Testosterone stimulates the production of erythropoietin, EPO, leading to higher hemoglobin levels in men, while estrogen inhibits EPO, contributing to lower hemoglobin levels in women. Hematocrit, abbreviated HCT, also known as packed cell volume, measures the proportion of red blood cells in a total blood sample. This measurement is expressed as a percentage, representing the portion of the blood composed of red blood cells out of the total 100% sample. Normal hematocrit values for men range between 40% and 54%, while women typically have values between 36% and 48%. In children, normal levels fall between 35% and 44%. Hematocrit is an important indicator of oxygen-carrying capacity and overall blood health. Children experience periods of rapid growth and development, requiring a large amount of iron for red blood cell production, which can lead to iron deficiency anemia and lower hematocrit. Testosterone and estrogen again play a role in the difference between male and female values. Mean corpuscular volume, abbreviated MCV, measures the average size of red blood cells and is expressed in femtoliters. Normal MCV values for most individuals range between 80 and 100 femtoliters. The size of red blood cells can be affected by the availability of essential nutrients required for their formation. If certain nutrients are lacking, red blood cells may become abnormally small, microcytic, or unusually large, macrocytic, impacting their function and overall efficiency in oxygen transport. Mean corpuscular hemoglobin, abbreviated MCH, measures the average amount of hemoglobin present in a single red blood cell and is expressed in picograms. Normal MCH values typically range between 27 and 31 picograms. Since hemoglobin is the essential protein responsible for oxygen transport, MCH provides insight into the oxygen-carrying capacity of individual red blood cells. This measurement, along with other red blood cell indices, helps assess overall blood composition and efficiency in oxygen delivery. Mean corpuscular hemoglobin concentration, abbreviated as MCHC, measures the average concentration of hemoglobin within a red blood cell. It is calculated by dividing the hemoglobin concentration by the hematocrit. Remember that hematocrit represents the percentage of red blood cells in whole blood. The normal range for MCHC is 36 grams per deciliter. There are key differences between MCH and MCHC. MCHC specifically assesses the concentration of hemoglobin within the red blood cell, whereas MCH measures the total amount of hemoglobin per cell. Additionally, MCHC is more sensitive to changes in red blood cell size, while MCH is more affected by variations in the overall hemoglobin production. Red cell distribution width, abbreviated RDW, measures the variation in the size of red blood cells. This value is expressed as a percentage, with a normal range of 11.5% to 14.5%. A higher percentage indicates a greater variation in red blood cell size, while a lower percentage suggests that the cells are more uniform in size. The reticulocyte count is the final red blood cell test we will discuss. Recall that a reticulocyte is an immature red blood cell in the last stage before maturing. This test essentially measures how well the bone marrow is producing new red blood cells to replace those that need to be removed from circulation. The result is expressed as a percentage of total red blood cells, with a normal range of 0.5% to 2.5%. Understanding basic red blood cell tests and their normal values helps explain why these tests are commonly ordered for patients and what may be occurring when the results fall outside the normal range.